Next up now is our electrical installation steps. In order to get our device up and running, follow these steps for connecting the main unit's 2-meter long 8-pin cable to the power source and necessary communication links. You will find a total of 9 different color wires in the cable, with each color corresponding to the distinct function. Carefully connect the wires according to the functionality you require. For any wire ends that you won't be using, it's essential to protect them with insulating material. This precaution ensures that your main unit remains safe from electrical leakage or short circuits. A crucial reminder: before you proceed with any actions involving opening the main unit or making connections, please make sure to turn off the power and remove the power cord.